greater love than the love of family, faith, forgiveness, and favor. For I may have fallen short of his glory, but never of his grace, church. For in my Father's house, there are many rooms for Christmas love to resume.
Oh God, so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son.
Yes, He did.
The Son gave His life for me,
and me too, you too, all of us.
When He died on Calvary.
Let's go, y'all.
There's no greater love, nowhere you can find it, no, that a man will lay down his life for a friend.
Y'all friends in here, y'all.
There's no greater love. There's no greater love. Will lay down his life for.
Y'all ready? Sing, mama. Sing holiday. Let's go, y'all.
There is no greater love.
There's no greater love.
No greater love. No greater love.
Let's go, greater love. Let's go. Take it to the top. Come on.
Jesus went to Calvary. You and me.
That's the love I'm talking about. Let's go.
Jesus
Went to Calvary, y'all. To save a wretch like me.
What manner of man is this?
That's what I call love. That's what I call love. He saved us all. Let's get it. Merry Christmas. On the holiday. Holiday. Y'all ready? Then what happened next? Let's go. Stretched him wide. They hung his head. For me and you, he died. He was born today, and he died for us. Let's go, y'all. Merry Christmas. Mama, I think I'm gonna need some help in here.
That's not how.
Let's go, mama.
The story. 3 days later.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Jesus.
Let's go, mama.
It was your love.